Sanibona bafethu uvane lo yazi kunento engiyinotisile about uRelebohile Mofokeng ku-Orlando Pirates kule season le yabo I saw last season I saw a different Relebohile Mofokeng last season nakuleya season but kule season so far uMofokeng mesemdlalisa as a winger akekho that effective for i-Orlando Pirates. He is not that effective. If you remember last season he was more sharp as a winger. He played that left wing position very good. But this season so far, I got that good umjida. But when you take that boy and put him as a number 10, that is where you see ukuthi umjida creative. That is where sibona ama results. That is where uthola khona ama assist. Mina ngokwami nje kule season umjida kumele bamdlalise number 10 number 10 kuphela iposition emele ngabe uyayidlala because if you saw a game ye-Chippa United against Orlando Pirates first half we were not that effective because number 10 position ibidlala ubani ibidlala uSipho Mbule mase ukuthi uMofokeng adlale left wing. Ubonile lapho ukuthi umjida ube nokulekhaleka ube nokudrifta akwazi ukuthi angene ngaphakathi mase ukuthi uTshepo Moremi adlale right winger. Lapho khona uTshepo Moremi akekho mnandi as right winger so ingakho sesibuya uTshepo Moremi beseleka left mase ukuthi umjida akwazi ukungena phakathi nendawo wase kwakhela noSuna Police sakwazi ukuthi sisidlale sibe balanced. So ngokwami mina when I look at uSipho Mbule, when I look at uTito Maswanganye, when I look at uDlamini leyo position leyo is stacked. That's a stacked position right there and the competition iningi. And when you look at a young boy like Mofokeng umjida for me umjida kumele ngabe uyaqala as number 10 in most games. Kumele abe siqalisa yena number 10 mase kuthi ka right winger sidlalise bani uSuna Police uyakwazi na ukudlala as right mase kuthi ka left sidlalise uMoremi that's a very deadly attack right there. Mase kuthi phambili ke noma singadlalisa siphi striker esikhona ku Pirates angadlala uMbuthuma angadlala uMahopa angadlala futhi noMabasa elandelwe labajida abo bathathu bangadeliver i-service for striker. For me umjida kumele nje bamconvert but ke angazi izolo nje ushaya ama touches awu 90 touches wa create ama chances ayi5. Most passes completed 62 passes passes into the final third ama pass awu 11 into the final third. Ama recoveries ball recoveries awashayile awu6. Umjida uyasebenza ngempela. This is a young boy na isikhathi yakhe siyofika isikhathi sakhe nje siyofika. I feel like kule season le simdlalisa kakhulu as winger kumele siyishintshe iposition yakhe simdlalise as number 10 because ilapho khona simbona khona eba effective. I saw uJose last season he was trying to convert him and make him number 10 last season isiyophela season. If you saw last season umjida kumele ke aqhubeke with number 10 because I feel like as a winger isiyehla kancane ispirit sakhe. But ke wena wangitshela kuma comments how do you feel about Mofokeng playing as number 10?